I'm sick of losing my stuff in the workshop mess. Today I'm going to make a dedicated EDC landing zone using a scrap piece of birch tabletop. It was left over from another project. It's 18mm thick and just about big enough. So here's my design in VCarve Pro. I have designed several pockets for a phone, my card holder, penknife and a pen. The spindle is running at about 16,000 RPM here. I've slowed the video down to 1/8 speed to show the chips. The software I'm using here is called IO Sender. It takes the G code from the VCarve Pro post processor and sends it to the router. I do normally use a dust shoe, but suffered the mess here as you wouldn't be able to see anything. The ragged edges are due to the nature of the wood and a less than perfectly sharp bit, but they'll clean up okay later. Now I'll round over the bottom of the pockets using a 1/2 inch bullnose bit. I did this so that dust and stuff wouldn't get caught in the corners. And then using a 1/2 inch 90-degree V-bit, I'll chamfer the corners. And now we cut it out. I did this using a 3mm upcutting end mill. It took 6 passes, cutting 3mm each time to cut it out. And that's all of the machining done. Now for the cleanup and finishing. So here's the final product, and I have already sanded it. The chamfered edges didn't quite turn out as I expected. The bit I used seems to have a flat spot where the edges join. So I should have offset the toolpath to allow for it, but anyway, it's okay, maybe next time I'll put that right. I'm going to use some timber benchtop oil that I have lying around. It's quite nice stuff and absorbs into the wood. If you use oil, be sure to wear gloves. It's not something you want on your skin. I'm using a bit of scrap rag, but a brush might be better. Just dip it in the oil and rub onto the tray. It soaks in as you go, so you need to keep applying it until there are no dry spots. But don't go too crazy with it. Let the oil soak in and dry for a while, and then you can use it. That's a project that I hope will save me hours of looking for my keys and things. If you want the VCarve file, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Plasma Dave for more workshop builds.